Hey everyone, the Jasion Hunter Pro is the kind of electric bike that immediately catches your attention by packing a surprisingly long list of features into a relatively affordable package. This is a folding fat tire e-bike with full suspension, a powerful rear motor, a large battery, hydraulic disc brakes, commuter equipment, and Class 3 performance. The Hunter Pro uses the familiar combination of compact 20-inch wheels and oversized 4-inch fat tires. The folding mechanism helps keep the overall footprint relatively manageable, while the wide tires add a significant amount of air volume beneath the rider. The folding mechanism is useful, although it is important not to confuse folding with portability. The Hunter Pro weighs around 82 pounds, or roughly 37 kilograms, so folding it does not magically make it lightweight. One of the strongest parts of the Hunter Pro is its motor performance. The bike uses a motor capable of reaching a claimed peak output of around 1,800 watts, and acceleration is strong enough to make city riding feel lively. The bike also supports pedal assist, but this is where its budget character becomes more apparent. The Hunter Pro uses a cadence-based system, rather than the more sophisticated torque sensing systems found on higher-end e-bikes. For casual riding, however, the system is perfectly usable. Once you become familiar with how the assistance responds, you can adapt your pedaling style and ride comfortably. The Shimano 7-speed drivetrain is similarly straightforward. The 720 watt-hours battery is another major selling point. It provides the Hunter Pro with enough energy capacity to make it useful as more than just a short-range recreational toy. In fact, the bike can be surprisingly entertaining away from perfectly paved roads. The combination of wide tires and full suspension encourages you to leave the normal road occasionally and explore gravel paths, grassy areas, dirt trails, and other relatively mild terrain. The full suspension system is useful, but expectations need to be realistic. The front fork and rear suspension do a good job of reducing the harshness of potholes, curbs, gravel, grass, and broken pavement. At the same time, this is not premium suspension. The damping and overall refinement are clearly limited compared with what you would find on an expensive mountain bike or a high-end electric bike. The rear rack is especially valuable for riders who intend to use the Hunter Pro for errands or commuting. That distinction is important because the Hunter Pro is not some secret high-end electric bike disguised as a $999 model. Ultimately, the Jasion Hunter Pro succeeds because it delivers a lot without trying to pretend that it is something it is not. It is a heavy, budget-focused electric bike with a long list of useful features. The motor is lively, the battery is substantial, the hydraulic brakes are welcome, and the full suspension fat tire setup makes the bike comfortable and enjoyable on a wide variety of surfaces. At the same time, the basic pedal assist behavior, modest suspension quality, substantial weight, and average fit and finish keep it from competing directly with much more expensive e-bikes. The Hunter Pro does not reinvent the budget e-bike category, but it does offer a compelling combination of performance, comfort, utility, and versatility. If your priority is getting as many capabilities as possible for your money, and you're willing to accept a heavy bike and a few budget-level compromises, the Jasion Hunter Pro is a surprisingly capable package. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Have a nice day, and God bless you.